It's a noisy night in the tropical wet sclerophyll forest, and something remarkable is about to happen. Best be ready, little feather-tail gliders. Very hungry and noisy creatures are coming. And it's not the striped possum, even if she does like a bit of protein to accompany her sweets. Families of yellow-belly gliders do all the work as they listen out for sooty owls. Red mahogany sap satisfies their sweet teeth, and no other trees will do. But these trees have plenty to go around for everyone. And the yellow bellies keep it flowing. Even if others don't do anything except help themselves. In the morning, just before dawn, after the feast, it's time for bedtime chores. Then, off to a comfy hollow with a view. In the eucalyptus grandis suite, no less. Day shift has begun on the red mahoganys. As soon as the lorikeets eat the sap from the cuts the yellow-belly gliders make, the squabbles begin. At least the honey-eaters are quiet. And neighbours, the tree kangaroos, almost never make a sound. Even her little Joey is quiet as a mouse.